Okay, now a couple months ago when I was here, see where that road continues? Well, you can go right along through here. There's a bridge, and that's about as far as I can go. Normally I can go down about another 3 kilometers at least, or 4 kilometers the way down there, but it's just, the water's really high. This was just a small little creek, and yeah, big difference. So this is the farthest I can go. If it gets up any higher, they're going to have to move. That's what I'm saying. Oh, watch out for the water! Ah, splash! Okay, he's good. He knows what he's doing. I don't. Okay, signing off.
Musim gugur di Asia.
Well, welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. 3 months ago I came down here and it didn't look anything like this. That water is almost up to the road here. 3 months ago it was way down there, and I'll tell you about that in just a minute. But briefly, I want to say, have you ever wanted to watch like 10-15 minutes of raw footage that I have? And I have a lot of footage. Well, you can do that. Just check out my Patreon page, link in the description below. Okay, there's the Tonle Sap River, and what happens, or to the lake I should say, what happens to this is the Tonle Sap Lake, it breathes. It gets, in the rainy season, the Mekong River, which really isn't directly attached to Tonle Sap, it goes past the Tonle Sap River. It has so much water coming through it that the Tonle Sap River will reverse its flow and fill up the Tonle Sap Lake. And I mean, we're talking about a lot of freaking water. It can, and it's a huge lake, as you saw on the map, huge. It's the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia, and it can raise up to 33 feet during the wet season. That's a whole heck of a lot there. So yeah, so they call it like the breathing lake or whatever, and it's got a lot of biodiversity, and it's been doing that for thousands of years, and I'm probably pretty sure that people have been taking advantage of that for thousands and thousands of years. I mean, heck, why not, you know? But yeah, I was here 3 months ago, and I'll put the link up there if you want to watch the first one. And it seems like there, not only is the water level way up, but it also seems like there is not as many people out and about milling around as it was last. Oh, they even have a pool table. Oh, that's the place to hang out there. But no, there seemed to be a lot more people, but that wasn't during the rainy season. They were probably out fishing. But yeah, we just keep on going down this road here, and you can see how high that water is compared to what it was before. But anyways, yeah, it was a nice ride going down here, and I've always liked. This is about my 5th ride down to Tonle Sap. The road gets a little bit bumpy and jiggly and all that. But hey, you can even wear your pajamas. Oh, I want to go to hell, damn it. Anyways, we're heading up the hill here, and we're going to be going into a different kind of area and a little more touristy. And oh, if you check out this motorbike that's going to be coming on your left, it's really funny and bouncing all over. I wished I would have got more of that. It was just crazy. But anyways, all of these stores, you're going to see a lot more of them in the brick buildings there with the big rolling, almost look like garages. During the busy season, the tourist season, pre-COVID, like all of these would be just bustling and. Yeah, making a lot of money. And unfortunately, the tourists have not returned en masse to Siem Reap. Siem Reap is a very, very beautiful town and area. And hopefully soon the tourists will come back next high season. Let's hope that they They just flock here again. And generally, this during the tourist season, this here parking lot would be just about full of tour buses with all kinds of tourists with smiley faces, just waiting to go down and see the floating villages, which is another story in itself. And very happy to go buy all kinds of souvenirs and food and all that, and happy to spend their money. But yeah, you can see the water in some places almost up to the road. And yeah, they just park their boats all over the place. And like I always say, I'll say it again, if you're still here at this end of the video, you are my #1 fans. You guys have a great day, and goodbye.